Okay, so today I'll be making a video on a trade I took yesterday. I didn't actually take this one, but I saw this trade. I don't take it because I don't trade on Mondays, but I want to make a trade breakdown because it was requested by somebody. So I'm going to make a trade breakdown on how I pick my trades and how I was able to see this particular trade. Okay, so as always, I go on a 3-month time frame to determine my order flow and everything. So I came on the 3-month time frame. In my previous video, I told you I focused on the last 3 candles, but here I did something different. If you focus over here, we, we like, let's say I drew this because this was a failure swing and the market started drawing now, right? Yeah, so if I was just focusing on the last 3 candles here, I'll be bearish in this candle, right? But why did I draw this and I don't draw that one? Because I think I saw that the market was came down after the market took this high and it started coming down. It came down to this level, which I felt or I saw was a draw liquidity for the market. So it was unable to continue down. If it broke this low, then I would have been bearish within this candle. But it took this low and closed back within this range, showing that it will be unable to continue down. But I cannot just say this and okay, go straight to the point and now I'm bullish within this candle, right? I always say I go on the 1 month and I confirm my direction if I'm right? Yeah. And focusing on just the last 3 candles, remove this one. Focusing focusing on just the last 3 candles over here, you could see this candle took this candle's low. I couldn't break and it closed back within this range. So within this candle, that's how I'll be trading. I'll be bearish. I'll be bullish because it's clearly showing signatures of going up, right? So at this point, I pick my drawn liquidity, which will be the high of this candle and let's say this FEG. Yeah, and this FEG. So let's go to the 1 week to confirm. Within this 1 week, when I drop to the 1 week time frame, right, this candle broke this candle's high, but it couldn't break above. So you say, okay, I'm now bearish, right? No, I'm not bearish. I'm still bullish because if the market does not get to its drawn liquidity, it will never reverse. The market will never reverse if it has never got to a drawn liquidity. It needs to get it to its drawn liquidity before it will show signatures of reversal or anything. But if it has not gotten to that point, it will keep going in the direction. So this, even though it couldn't break this high, it hasn't got to the drawn liquidity that I marked out. So definitely I'll still be bullish. Yes. So I dropped to the daily to look for my entries, right? This thing is still on my chart because I follow this. Failure to break lows means higher prices. Failure to break highs means lower prices. Yes. So I dropped to the daily and I traded this candle, right? This is the candle I wanted to trade because this is Monday and that's the candle I wanted to trade. So let me show you how I pick my entry. I went to the 4-hour time frame. Then into the 4-hour time frame. Then as always, I use my OTE. I drew from this point to this high, from the low to the high that I created. Then as always, this I enter on this golden, that's this 0.705. Then I place my SL either under this level or depending on what I want, right? So I placed it over here because of this candle. Because of this candle slope. Yeah, it was a bit under. Yeah, it was a bit under. Yeah, I placed it over there because of that candle slope. And it tapped me in. It came a bit down. Wasn't that like a sniper entry, but still you could see after it failed to break this candle slope, I was still sure it was going to go up, and exactly it did exactly that. It came up. Yeah, so my drawn liquidity was this candle's high. What was this range high? This swing high over here. And exactly that, it smacked my take profits. Beautiful trade. That's exactly what I do every single time. As I always said, as I said in the previous video. So this is the whole breakdown of um, one trade, and you could bring in your questions to my DMs if you have it. Thank you.